AutoCAD Electrical Tutorial Beginner. Welcome to the Electricity Forum Training Institute, or EFTI, a trusted leader in electrical training for the North American power industry. This 6-hour instructor-led AutoCAD electrical tutorial introduces students to the fundamentals of electrical drafting using AutoCAD Electrical, with a strong focus on practical real-world workflows. What you'll learn. Students will learn how to navigate the AutoCAD electrical interface, create and edit electrical schematics, insert components and symbols, and manage wires and wire numbering efficiently. The course also covers ladder diagrams, component tagging, cross-referencing, project organization, report generation, and essential drafting standards used in industrial electrical design. This course delivers a solid foundation in AutoCAD Electrical by covering interface navigation, schematic creation, component and symbol insertion, wire numbering, ladder diagrams, cross-referencing, project organization, report generation, and essential industrial drafting standards. Who should attend? This course is designed for electricians, technicians, designers, engineers, maintenance staff, and anyone new to AutoCAD Electrical who wants a clear and practical introduction to electrical drafting. This course comes with an AutoCAD Electrical Tutorial Beginner Certificate, 0.6 CEU credits, 6 professional development hours, 100-page electrical protection handbook, and a $50 coupon toward future EFTI training. Build a strong foundation in AutoCAD Electrical and improve the quality and consistency of your electrical drawings. Register today for EFTI's AutoCAD Electrical Tutorial.